God is all-powerful, then why hasn't he just destroyed Satan already? Why let evil roam freely for thousands of years? What if I told you the answer isn't what most people think, and it's hidden in plain sight throughout Scripture? Welcome to our channel, where we explore the mysteries of faith, history, and the spiritual realm. Today we dive deep into one of the most baffling questions ever asked by believers and skeptics alike. Stay with us. You're about to discover truths that challenge everything you thought you knew. Let's rewind to the very beginning. Satan, once known as Lucifer, wasn't created evil. He was a high-ranking angel, beautiful, powerful, wise. The Bible calls him the morning star, but pride consumed him. He rebelled against God and led a third of heaven's angels with him. Now here's where it gets strange. When Lucifer fell, God didn't wipe him out. In fact, Satan was allowed to roam earth, tempt humanity, and even enter the heavenly courts as we see in the book of Job. But why? Some theologians believe it's about justice and timing. If God had destroyed Satan immediately, the universe might have questioned his fairness. Was Lucifer truly guilty, or silenced too quickly? God, being just, allowed evil to fully reveal itself to expose its true nature over time. This, they say, is the cosmic courtroom. The entire universe is watching this moral drama unfold. And in the end, when judgment comes, no one will question God's verdict. And here's a lesser-known fact. According to Revelation 20, Satan will be destroyed, but not yet. He's first bound for 1,000 years, then released one last time. Only then is he finally cast into the lake of fire. It's all part of a divine plan with eternal implications. So could it be that God's delay in destroying Satan isn't weakness, but wisdom? That allowing evil to expose itself is the ultimate way to defeat it? What do you think? Is this divine justice or something deeper we've yet to understand? Let us know in the comments. We read everyone. And if you found this eye-opening, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who's asked the same question. There's a lot more coming your way. Stay curious, stay questioning, and stay tuned.